Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Hello Gemini with an easy method. First, make sure you are logged into your Google account. You'll need a stable internet connection to access the platform. Simply open your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and type in the Gemini web address. It's a straightforward process, taking less than 30 seconds to get to the main interface. This initial step is crucial for a smooth experience. Once you're on the Gemini interface, you'll see a prominent text input box, usually at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll type your prompts. Be clear and concise with your questions or commands to get the best results. After typing, you can either press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the Send icon, which often looks like a paper airplane. It's designed for quick and intuitive interaction, allowing you to submit your query in just a few seconds. After submitting your prompt, Gemini will quickly generate a response. Take a moment to read through the output carefully. It will often provide key information, summaries, or creative content based on your input. If something isn't clear or if you need more detail, don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions. Gemini is designed to engage in conversational dialogue, so you can refine your queries and explore topics in depth. This iterative process helps you get exactly what you need. To get the most out of Gemini, try experimenting with various prompt styles. For instance, you can ask for summaries, creative writing, or even code. Using specific keywords will significantly improve the accuracy and relevance of the responses. For more complex requests, providing ample context helps Gemini understand your intent better. Remember, the more precise your input, the more tailored and helpful Gemini's output will be, enhancing your overall experience by a significant margin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.